what's happening in the rest of the world as it's compared to North America? Where are the opportunities today?
Well, I think I talked to you a little about it earlier. I thought
But they don't know. They don't know.
I think there's opportunity in Malaysia, right across from Singapore. We're seeing, going back to the data center business, we're seeing significant demand to develop digital infrastructure for use in Asia. But because you can't necessarily do it in China because of all the restrictions and how you operate, people still want to have exposure to the greater Asia-Pac region. And Singapore being kind of the beacon of safety and stability, having access to the Singaporean economy, but there's no land for data centers in Singapore, so addressing the need adjacent to. I also still think there's long-term demand for power infrastructure, and I don't think that renewable energy is dead. I simply think we have to accept the fact that the Chinese manufacturing machine can deliver us renewable energy at a fraction of the cost that we can make it in the West. And if we're willing to accept that, we can actually develop renewable energy at the same return basis that we're developing in the Americas, or I'd say in the United States, net of the tax credit. So said differently, it costs us, let's say, $1 to develop a renewable energy asset in America. If we were simply to take foreign-made goods to develop that same infrastructure, we could develop it for 50 cents on the dollar. But because we're looking to backstop our manufacturing capacity here, we're choosing to essentially tariff those assets out of our system. So I still think there's a tremendous. That's why I go back to, if I was 27 years old, where would I go? I would be focused on power infrastructure and digital infrastructure, namely.